guys, welcome back. So I just realized that I don't have an intro, so I'm coming at you in the future because you guys are going to be seeing a clip of me getting my hair done. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did get some bangs put in, some curtain bangs. I was really inspired by Brigitte Bardot, who's like one of my favorite actresses. I also read this book called Daisy Jones and the Six, and the cover just like reminds me, I don't know, she just like inspired me. I really liked the character, and I just felt like I wanted a little bit of a change, you know, with the bangs and stuff. Kind of opens up my face a little bit and shows off, like, kind of just accentuates my cheekbones in a way. Anyway, so I posted a picture of it, and so many of you guys were really happy with it. And to be honest, I was really nervous in the beginning because I wasn't sure if I liked it so much, but I'm really happy with it. I even like the way this looks with my hair back like this. I actually have a picture of Brigitte Bardot up there, which totally inspired this entire like look. So let me get it so I can show you guys. Okay, so this is the picture. So as you can see, very much inspired by this look. She's just so pretty, and she's always had this like beautiful long voluminous hair, and I don't know, I just think she's stunning. I have been working all morning. I was trying to get a video edited and sent over to a brand to be approved, and so that way it can be up by hopefully the end of the day. And then what else do I have? Oh, I have Elise's birthday party that I have been planning. I have a call at 4 with her with the party planner. I don't really know what we're gonna do because I am in a townhome. It's a little bit difficult because I don't really have a backyard. I don't really have a lot of space in here to begin with. So there's definitely no way we're gonna be able to do it in my house. Nonetheless, I want to make this really great for her because it technically is her golden birthday. She's turning 5 on June 5th, so that's really exciting. Really just want to celebrate her and make this as fun as possible for her. As I'm sure you guys know, if you're parents, you always want to like make everything so fun for everybody. Sophie, come here. Sophie's just recently discovered our balcony and that people walk by and other dogs walk by, so she just loves sitting out there and like watching people. But she is starting to like bark whenever people come close to the house, and I don't really want her to do that because she has like a pretty annoying bark. Okay, so I'm gonna make a smoothie with you guys and then also make some lunch because I'm starving. Let's go to the kitchen. Alrighty, so I am going to be having a smoothie and a flatbread for lunch today. I thought I would walk you guys through the whole process because it's pretty quick and easy. Today's video is actually sponsored by Daily Harvest, and I'm very excited because I've been using and having Daily Harvest in my freezer for the last like 5 weeks, and it's been so helpful. I'm not somebody that is really great about making sure I eat and stuff, and to be honest, like when it comes to like feeding my kid, I'm like on it, but when it comes to myself, for some reason, like I just can't. And I think it's because when she's not here, I'm just like go, go, go. I'm trying to get everything done and like utilize my time. I feel like whenever I try to make like really healthy meals, they just take so much time to like prep, especially during the work week. I need to get something in as quick as possible and get back to work. I thought this would be a really great like collaboration because I know a lot of you are either working at home or working remote. Everything is organic, everything's plant-based, gluten-free, dairy-free. There's no gums or fillers or refined sugar. There's nothing artificial in it. So it's just a really great way to get your healthy food in and get it in quickly. I'm gonna show you a couple things that I have from them. One of my favorite things, which is not like really for like lunch, but it's a nice sweet treat, is the vanilla salted swirled black sesame scoops. This is so good, okay? So it has coconut, maple, black sesame, cacao, ashwagandha, which I don't know what that is, but it's great. Vanilla. You are spoiling yourself. You don't have to feel guilty about it, you know what I mean? I've literally eaten a lot of it out of it. It really just tastes like almost like cookies and cream, but like a little coconutty. My favorite smoothie that they have is a strawberry and peach smoothie. This has strawberries, bananas, peach, raspberry, oats, and goji berries. One of the things that my daughter absolutely loves, and we fight over this all the time, it's the Daily Harvest oat bowl in apple and cinnamon. This literally tastes like an apple pie. It's so delicious and holds me over during the day. And then the flatbreads are what I usually go for during the day. So I either have the broccoli flatbread, which is with tomato and basil. This one is the sweet potato flatbread, which I think I'm gonna make because the sweet potato one is really good. It's one of my favorites. I go through this one the most. So easy. You just keep them in your freezer and you throw them in the oven, and in like 10 minutes they're ready to go. So I'm gonna put this one, I think I'm gonna eat this one. I'm gonna have the sweet potato flatbread. Tomatillo and pepper is my fave. So I'm just gonna heat it up to 450. I'm gonna go ahead and make the food. I will show you guys what it all looks like. And then I'm also gonna make this smoothie with you guys really quickly just to show how fast and easy it is to do this. So here we go. I'm gonna be making the strawberry and peach smoothie. So I'm just gonna pour it into my blender. You can fill this cup up with any liquid, so you can use water, almond milk, oat milk, coconut water, anything really. I'm gonna use some oat milk and I'm gonna fill this up. Daily Harvest is giving me a promo code for you guys, so you can use my code Nicole Elise and you can get $40 off your first box, which is a great promotion and I highly recommend you guys to take advantage of it. Flatbread is ready and it's hot. I just took it out. Look at it steaming for you guys. Yum. I already took a bite out of it because I couldn't help myself. I'm gonna finish this and then roll the clip for when I was at the salon. So cold. I'm gonna open up some boxes that I got in. Okay, I can't. Okay. Can't find my box cutters, so we're just gonna have to use this. Actually, you under my box cutter? Okay, sorry. She looks so pissed. I literally disturbed her slumber. Okay. Come out. Okay, so these are the major headlines below. Body oils, sorry, Major Glow Mini Okay, so these are the Major Glow Mini Body Oil Trios. This is the face brush, I think. What number is this? For Face 1. I think it's like the blush brush, which I'm excited to use. I love a good like face brush, and that feels like heavy duty too. Oh, this is a blush in She's Different, because, you know, she's different now. These are my favorite blushes. You guys know I love the She's So LA shade. It's like the best. And this one is the She's Different. It's more of like a plummy, kind of like magenta-y shade, but it's really pretty. So I'm excited to try that. We have the She's Bold lip liners. I think this is the darker one, yeah. I've tried like 3 different, or no, 2 shades from Patrick Ta, and those 2, like the 2 didn't work. It was She's Single and She's Humble, and they were like too cool toned for me. So I got She's Bold, which is I think the darkest nude lip liner he has, but this one seems like it will be better for me. Like it looks very like skin-like. And then we have She's Chiseled, which is in the dark shade. I have the medium shade, but that one, ooh, this one's gonna be too dark. I don't know. But this one's relatively dark, but I think the contour might be nice to try. Honestly, I feel like this contour might work. We'll see. I'll give it a go in a video for sure. The other shade that I have felt rather light for me, so hopefully you can find a shade that works. Okay, I believe this is from Pixie. Ooh, on the go blush. I love an on-the-go blush. I mean, it's liquid. Ooh, twist, swipe, and glow. Give a dash of color for a healthy glow for a look that's soft and sweet wherever you go. My little poem. Okay, so this is what they look like. This is Juicy, Flirt, and Ruby. I'm kind of interested to see how they wear. This is like a straight up pink. It's like a bubblegum Pepto-Bismol pink. Oh, this one looks nice. It's like a cherry. Looks kind of like fire engine red in the picture, but it's not. It's like a cherry red, if anything. I placed this Sephora order because I was, my sister sent me this TikTok, and she knows I've been like struggling with getting like products to correct my under eyes, like the darkness under my eyes. Oh my gosh, what the hell did I buy? Oh my god. Okay, I guess I bought a bunch of stuff. So I got the Fenty Bright Fix Eye Brighteners. I saw these, like I said, my sister sent me a TikTok and these were like life-changing. These look really cool. So I got mine in peach, deep butter, and honey. So we'll see. I bought 3 shades because I just wasn't sure which shade I would be. So this one is honey, peach, and then deep butter. And I feel like the honey, which is this one, is going to be a really nice shade to brighten. But we'll see. I will keep you guys posted. Okay, I don't know what this is. Iconic Glow Mini Cheek Set. So what did I buy? Don't even remember doing this. Okay, so I ordered this. So this is Laguna. Little teeny tiny one, which is nice, honestly, that I picked up the mini ones. This is Laguna, which is their, I'm sorry, their Orgasm blush, which is like their cult following blush. And then it comes with a little mini brush too. This is a nice brush. Honestly, I like brushes that have like small handles because then they fit in my bag better. Oh my god, this is gonna be really nice. Like the shape of it. Oh my god. Oh, I picked this up. So remember in one of my videos, I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, so remember in one of my videos, I picked up the Nars Tinted Moisturizer. So this is a Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen. And I think I got it in the shade Sydney and it was too light. So I picked up the next brightest shade. Ooh. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm gonna love this. So this is the shade Cuzco, medium 1.5. Next is, what the hell did I buy? It's the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows. This was in the shade True Neutrals. Okay, I don't know why I ordered this, but okay. So this is the eyeshadows, like a little mini palette. I think I picked this up because I liked the brown tones and just like the tones in general I feel like would be cool, but I do feel like I picked it up mainly because of this color. I do a lot of like eyeshadow winged liner that's like kind of smoked out and you know whatnot, so I think that's why I got this, but honestly I really don't know if I need it. And then we got the Multiple by Nars. This is in the shade Maui. Oh my gosh. Did you come out? Oh, there we go. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna like this. That's really nice. So it's like supposed to be a cream blush. Oh my god, I'm really excited. I feel like I'm really gonna like this color a lot. Okay, my thing's gonna die. This is the Air Matte blush. Also, damn, I just like went on a blush spree. This is in the shade Rush. It's quite nice. Thought it'd be pretty for summer, you know, with a tan. And then this one is the, oh, this is another blush I picked up. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Love Glow blush. I don't really have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, this is too light. I can't really tell. But this is in Love Glow. I thought it was going to be a little deeper, but I guess not. Okay, so then I have a bunch of beauty blender items. I got the Blender Defender, which is the protective case, because I do feel weird about my like beauty blenders just like floating in my bag. I don't know, getting everything all dirty. And then I got the mini ones because I see Makeup by Ariel use this all the time on like the girls. So and I feel like I'm always trying to like get right in the inner corners and like do things that are a little bit more precise, and the big one, like the standard size, is just sometimes a little too big. So I'm excited for the mini ones. And then I picked up another beauty blender. I've never seen this case before, but I thought that would be like a cool thing to have. Ooh, it's so fun. It's so squishy. It's like a little silicone-y case. So I can stick my booty blenders in here. How fun. Okay, my daughter's totally gonna steal this, so I need to hide it. Oh! I just opened this box and it's from Zit Sticka. I love their like zit stickers. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. They made me a cup that said #1 mom. Look on the back. It's a picture of me and Aliyah. Oh my gosh! My daughter is gonna think this is the coolest thing ever. That was like the sweetest thing ever. This cup from Zit Sticka like means so much to me. I literally almost cried. Ilia Lip Wrap Hydrating Mask. They sent a Summer Fridays Baby Moon Belly Balm. Just hang on to that for the day that I get pregnant again. Press Refresh Hydrogel Exfoliating Sheet Masks. I actually have this and I really like these masks. And then they also sent a little puzzle. Look how cute. I love puzzles. Me and Eli do puzzles all the time. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, they did not need to do that. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you were these. I just got these in yesterday. These Ciate's, is that how you say it? Ciate Dewy Stick Body Gloss, and this one's in Sun Catcher, and this one's in Glow Catcher. Ooh, so pretty. Wow. So lots of glowy stuff. I'm excited to try it.